Under voltage relay 230 volts AC, model number is 42248 Legrand make. This is a complete packed unit. So this is done the packing in this one, and also they given the rating plate on which is the UV has to be used. And then this is our UV coil. You can see this under voltage relay, this model number is mentioned very clearly, 42248 UVR 50 to 60 Hertz. We can use 220 to 240 volts AC. The terminal number is D1 and D2, and you can see here also it is mentioned the coil voltage is 220 to 240 volts 50 to 60 Hertz. Under voltage relay, this is a cat number 17W09080, and this is what the there. When we give the supply to this two terminal, I think this spring actuation will work automatically. When the supply comes, this will work. So please contact Shreya Power Control for any Legrand item accessories.